guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I'm Amanda Renee, and in this video I'll be doing finger coils on my type 4 natural hair using this product that has been shown on my channel a couple times, but I really love this cream, so I will be testing it out on finger coils to see if they can keep my finger coils moisturized and well defined. So if you're interested in seeing that video, keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I do my finger coils. This is not a detailed tutorial. I'm just going to run through the steps quickly, and if you want a detailed tutorial, I will indeed put the other two finger coil videos that I did on my channel. The thumbnails will be on the screen and the links will be in the description box and the cards, so that you can check them out after this video. So after I separate my hair and part it into how I want my finger coils to be set or laid, I will be back to show you how I do them. Okay, so I have parted my hair the way I would do for my mini twists or mini braids. So this is the section here, and I already have leave-in conditioner in. I no longer use oils in my hair, but the products that I do use have oil in them, so oil is still going in my hair. So I'm just gonna take this little bit, since it's a little piece of hair, and I'm just going to make sure that it is even throughout my hair. Then I'm going to go from the root and just begin twirling the hair around my finger all the way down until I have my desired look for a finger coil. So this is what the finger coil is looking like. And that is what I'm going to be doing for the rest of my hair. I will show a little montage and I will show you the final results. Alright guys, so I have finished the finger coils, and now I remember why I don't do them often. They take so long to do. So whenever I do them, I always wear them for as long as possible so that my time doing them wouldn't get wasted. Plus it's a great protective style or low manipulation hairstyle, so why not? I will show you what they look like. And one thing I like about the twist and braid cream that I used is that it has a hold to it, and it's a firm hold, but yet my hair is still pretty flexible. So I like that about the cream, and I think my coils will indeed last 2 weeks because that's the time I plan on keeping them in for. Visiting Amanda Renee here. Let me just say now, I did not keep those in for 2 weeks. My scalp started itching at the week mark and I had to undo my hair in order to wash it. So look out for the next style that I will do. I'm not going to go past 2 weeks because I really don't want a repeat of what happened before, where I wasn't taking that great care of my hair, which is a different story for a different time. So like I said in the beginning of the video, I will see how it holds up and whether my finger coils have moisture and whether the definition stays, but I doubt I will come back to show you what it looks like on camera as days go by. But look out for that pinned comment, because I always, well, I try to put a pinned comment there whenever I do reviews like this, so definitely look out for that pinned comment. And on that note, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, definitely leave a like, and if you want to see more content from me, definitely subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload from me. And share this video with someone who is interested in either doing finger coils or doing finger coils with the twist and braid cream but has no idea how it will work on their hair. Definitely send this video to them. And while you're at it, some videos will pop up on this screen. If you're interested in seeing more content from me, check those out, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.